Hello, my fellow YouTubers. This is Slim Pig with a video of my Toyota Matrix XRS 2003. My Trinity, oh boy, yes sir. This is video blogs about my journey of owning a 2ZZ engine, you know what I mean? I haven't done anything to the engine or any, fancy things, but every update, every upgrade, or like not a major like upgrade, but any updates that I've been doing with a car, I will always post a video. So this time, I'm doing like the simple maintenance, and I'm gonna change the hinges for the back piece. All right, folks, here are the I don't know what they call these things, but I'm just gonna call it a hinge rod, I guess. I don't know, but I bought this from O'Reilly. They cost like, I think maybe $37 each, so it's pretty pricey, but it says original equipment, manufacturer, and I can't wait to put them on. All right, folks, here's the lift gate glass hinges right here, basically. So here are the hinges for the glass. This is the glass I'm talking about. Make sure that I got this part set up, this one, because this one's still good. As you can see, it can hold, but whenever I open this right here, this glass, it doesn't hold. So I'm gonna replace it with those, basically. I don't know how you take them off, but anyways, I want to show you what I mean by opening this thing right here. So let's give it a try and open this this glass right here, this window glass, and I'm gonna show you that it just doesn't hold for some reason. Oh yeah, so in the 2003 model, you had this right here, hatch glass, and you could do this in the 2003 Matrix, basically, and only the year 2003. So that's what makes this so special. But yeah, anyways, all right, let's give it a press and let's see if it will all right, and there you go. See how that it popped like that? And normally this is supposed to stay up without me holding it, but doesn't have that power no more. See? So I'm gonna have to install the new one, and hopefully it can stay up. All right, let's do this. Let's do the installment, basically. I don't know how you take them out, but I think it should be easy. I think you just take it out. You don't even need tools, I think. You just pull it out. Probably gonna need two hands, so I think you take it out from here, and then you take it out from here. Yeah, so all right, so I was able to get it out, and actually the way how to get it out, you use a screwdriver minus, and you gotta stick this inside here and kind of like open it a little, and then just pull it out, basically, because this is what holds it. So if you I guess move it back a little, it will widen out the hole, and then from there you can just yank it out. So you kind of gotta be careful when you take this, because it was like, it was going in like this. So when I took it out, it was when I yanked it out, it pushed out like that. So you kind of have to be careful. But I'm gonna take off this one, and then from there I'm gonna install this new one, basically. All right, time to get to work again. All right, folks, there she is. She is wide open and it's able to hold. And the cool thing is I only installed one. I haven't even installed the other one and it's able to hold. So, yep, it is. And when you install this, basically, this is a very simple installment. Anyone can do this, but you open the window, this, you know, the rear window glass, instead of the whole trunk, because I was trying to install it while the whole trunk is open, but actually you open this and then you install it because these hinges, you can't bend it. So that's how you make this installment. And yeah, I'm gonna install the other one and see the final, the final product basically. All right, so here it is. And basically you just clip it on here. I'm gonna try to do this one hand. So yeah, you're gonna what's it called? Put this hole right here and you just put it in there like that. That easy. And the other one, you gotta line it up basically. There you go. And then put it in there. Alright. And just same thing. You just push it in there. There you go. Yeah. And that's the final product right there, boy. Yeah. Now I can open it and leave it up. You know what I mean? See, I close it, and then it can stay up. Nice. That's hella dope. So whenever you're camping, you just fold the seats and you leave that window open and you have a nice view. Well, that's for the update on my ride. This is my Trinity, and I will post more about my ownership of this vehicle. I hope you like the video. It's not really like a major installment, but yep, I'm very happy with this one. All right, folks, have a good day. Bye bye.